Abaqus Tutorial Lesson 115 Same node point between line and solid. Okay, line, solid. This area same node location. Okay, how to do it? First, concrete. Okay. Pay attention. If the line in concrete 15, you should better cut. Offset from point. This area. Cut. Okay. And cut. Line. Wire. Okay. 15. Okay. Okay. The line will be cut to okay. 15. Okay. Assembly. Rotation. Okay. Set. Create. What? 15. Okay, 15. But the direction is wrong. Okay. Okay. This point. This point. Okay. Okay. Next, mesh. 2, for example, 2. Okay. And pay attention. Do not allow the number of elements to change. Okay. 2. Concrete. 2. I think. Oh no. What? Oh. Okay. 2. Do not. Okay. Have the same point. Okay. Let me see. mesh element no, the labels apply. Okay, same point. Okay, no problem. Okay, I hope you catch me. This is my Chinese WeChat. Okay, AD time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.